Alright you guys, so really quick, I can't stay on this camera because I really gotta get started with my makeup, but this is the room that we are shooting in. So this room is called Astoria 5. I'm so excited! And then Jazz just pointed out that I actually have like a little vanity area so I can do my makeup on. I'm super psyched. I don't know where the light, I gotta find the light. What is it? Boom! Okay, let me go ahead and get this set up. Okay, got everything squared away with the manager. Got you on my tripod. Go ahead and get started. I'm a little bit behind. I'm gonna start with makeup. This is 1:31 right now. Hopefully, we can do this in a good 45 minutes. With that being said, this will be the perfect get ready with me chit chat, Jazz. And the way you run is so your little feet be shuffling. They remind me of a cartoon. Y'all, these little feet be shuffling, boy. Jazz running.
It's like so late.
I know. There was one time I was getting ready for this fashion show and the light was so bright. She was doing it and it looked great, but once I got out of that light, I looked like a black ghost. Like I was so pale. I was so pale, it was unreal. I was like, see, this is what we not going to do. I played it off because the dress that I had on was kind of like, it looked holiday-ish. So it was like a sparkly, silver, white, you know, dress. So I was just like, you know, the ghost of, you know, whatever season or something like that. I played it off in the caption.
That's funny.
Yeah, I had to. One, I didn't bring my hair tie.
Oh, I have one.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, I definitely didn't bring my other brushes. But I do have these. Work with that, but work with what we got.
Yep.
Oh snap, we got a hole underneath my armpit. Oh my gosh.
Don't hit your arm.
Yeah. Also got our foundation going on the face. I have accepted that maroon, that wine is just for me.
We love wine.
Oh boy, have y'all ever seen so much nice melanin in one camera? Boy, we are flawless. So in case you guys do not know, if you have not seen the video or Instagram clip, Jazz is the one who did the behind the scenes shooting for J Dolla's music video, which Gil was the main cinematographer for that. But Jazz behind the scenes footage is actually pretty lit. So if you guys have not checked that out yet, it's on my TV feature on Instagram. I really did not bring. It's alright. We got faithful Q-tips. That's so crazy, you know, as women, we're amazing, period.
Yep.
Like, the way we can just make things work when we don't have what we need.
And I love how, like, little you have.
I'm telling you, like, literally it's so small. Like, that's all I have in here. And we are going to
Gotta use drop.
I'm telling you, we're going to make it work. It has been a lot of trial and error with me learning how to do makeup.
Oh, see.
Really?
Now I just use Fenty.
Really?
Yes.
So this is pretty much my highlighted areas that you guys can see. I kind of never. I would never step my foot in that ring.
No, yeah.
Yeah, that's an aggressive.
Oh, yeah.
That's an aggressive industry. The makeup industry. Yeah, that's way too much going on. As long as I know how to do my makeup, maybe somebody else's, I'm good to go.
I only know how to do mine.
Yeah, pretty much. Me too. By the way, guys, I know in these vlogs you guys seeing the hair changes, but what can I say? Have things to do and places to be. Dang it! It broke. Dang.
Can we tie it?
Girl! Can we tie it? Yes, Jazz. A sister from another mister. Renege everything. Yeah, I used to be in elementary, like, literally reneging pens and pencils. That blended pretty well, actually. I didn't even need water for that.
It might be smaller, but we did it.
Awesome. Jazz is awesome. Period. That's doing pretty well without water. You kind of have to like damp it just a tad bit with water. It blends pretty nicely with water, but this is doing pretty good.
And I got water.
Jazz is really working for the check.
Yep.
By the way, so the foundation that I use while I've been doing all this talking is CYO here. And I also mixed it with Maybelline 362 Truffle Traffic. This is one thing I look at with these beauty gurus, how they be having to put the hand on. I don't know how you guys do this crap. As far as the concealer that I use, it's the HD concealer, which I'm about to be out of, and it's from the Cat New York. So that's NICKAK New York. Apparently it's a New York company. That's one thing I can say about living in New York. It doesn't take long to get a lot of packages and stuff because the main headquarters are in New York. Alright guys, so I'm really going through the struggle here. Just laughing. Because I literally just like forgot a whole set of brushes. So I am doing like highlighting and contouring with a freaking Q-tip. I don't know who else does this.
It's like makeup guru on a budget.
Oh, girl, you better say it. You better say it. That is hilarious.
If you need that contour cut,
use a Q-tip, man. I'm telling you, this is so precise. I'm so glad I actually learned how to kind of contour correctly. What I've learned is different ways to contour and highlight. You know, some people, they may put a contour here, and then there are some people who will just contour here and here. I'm literally going off of one example. I can't do that whole YouTube tutorial thing, only for a minute. It's something.
I feel like once in a while.
Yeah, it's something about it. I just can't like really grasp it like that.
And when I'm doing my makeup, I kind of just want to get it done.
Yeah.
I don't want to talk.
This looks so weird with the Q-tip. So Jazz, how did you get started in filming? Girl, you started like this been going on for years.
No,
Yeah.
Well, this was like 4 years ago when I was a fashion merchandising major.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and I realized I didn't like it. And that it was way too businessy for me, and I thought I was going to be a little bit more creative. So I was just like...
Oh, merchandising, I would think so.
Yeah, so I kind of had to like sit down with myself and figure out what I really kind of liked.
Gotcha.
And I really was interested in film. I was genuinely interested in how it was being made. And I really like editing because I did editing before that. Yeah, so I really just got into it because of editing, and then I kind of learned everything else like while being in school.
Nice. And what was your first gig?
My first real gig was with Gerard.
What?
His behind the scenes video. Yeah.
History right here. I was there when she first got started with filming. Boom, period. I don't want to hear it later on when Jazz gets big. Oh, I didn't really know her. No boo. First gig, I was there. Yeah, working it out.
That was good.
Yeah, it's coming out pretty nice. Sure. So you guys know, if you run out of options on brushes, get a Q-tip. What else? What do I need? It's one of those things where you mind. Thank you, girl. Thank you, girl. Dadgum, that my eyebrow butter brush is in my other. I mean, dadgum, man. I'm just. Lord.
Eyeliner.
Oh.
Or you could
Wait a
use eyeshadow
minute.
if you have it.
Boom. Ooh, boom. Got a little brush. Going on. So, see, even though it has a little color on here, it's still a brush for it. The contour that I use is RK by Kiss 3D Contour Artists. These are creams. I pretty much always use this because I'm not too skilled on how to use all these other ones. So I don't know. I know it has like a little template on the back, but once again, I'm not the best at following makeup like tutorials tutorials and stuff. Now, as far as what I just used for the brush, because it actually is an eyebrow, you know, mascara thing. NK Makeup Eyebrow Duo, because it also has the little brush thing you just saw with the color, and then it also has the like pencil part. Listen, you are looking at someone who only knew about lipstick, mascara, and eyeliner. That was all that I knew about makeup. I didn't really, and I think like maybe foundation, but I didn't know anything about contour, nothing about highlight. I knew what blush was. I didn't know about primers, so much that I did not know. And that's just the product alone. Not even talking about the methods on how to put on makeup. Forget it. Dang it. Come on. There we go. Once again, it is in the daggum brush. And I keep looking for a dumb brush.
Q-tip.
I can't Q-tip this one. I cannot Q-tip. Boom. See? Oh, dang it, I don't even have my little small. It's another little small thing. See, this, y'all have a crisis. So got the eyebrows together for as much as I could for what I have, because I literally got like a whole packet of brushes that I use for eyebrows and liners and stuff. However, out of all things to forget, I brought my eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. That's amazing to me because I never have that in my makeup bag. So what we did, just use the eyebrow pencil, use the eyeliner pencil in black, and like I said, that NK eyebrow duo. I also just used a brown eye pencil. That's how it came out. I'm gonna go over there with a concealer so it can be cleaned up a little bit. Time is 2:06, so it's actually supposed to be kind of shooting right now. Unfortunately, I did not bring my eyelashes. So if you guys don't know by now, Bare Minerals is my go-to eyeshadow palette. I love the colors that they have in here. They're very light, they're not strong. Natural earth tone colors. It has like roses, brown shimmers. So working with number 5 Lure and 7 Catalyst right now. And then this one is the smoky eyeshadow palette. And I actually do like this as well. The way it can go on, you have to be careful with this one though because it's really tricky because it can go on so heavy. Jazz doesn't feel like talking to us anymore, so she went on and sat down over there somewhere. The light is so bright for the camera. I don't know if you can. I don't know if like the camera is really picking up on the pigmentation of the colors. I see it in the mirror.
You want to stick it back on?
I would love
You got lash glue?
You know what? I do. I brought my eyelash glue, but no eyelashes. Oh my god. I know, them grandma lip. Alright, use a little bit of highlighter here. Highlighter Duo, also from Chit Chat, New York. I like the powdery finish it gives on the concealer. Pretty much where I lay it. I'm brushing with time, y'all. I'm brushing with time. That's all that's what I'm gonna blame it on right here. Mascara on. And by the way, the mascara is CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. This is also my favorite mascara to use out of all the other ones I've had. I like this brush. little bit more definition. Since I forgot my lashes, I'm gonna try to make my eyes as dark as possible without looking like a raccoon. I have to stand up for this liquid eyeliner, but why?
Because like when I put it on, I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Right. That's how come I was like, let me just put this on before I talk. You can't. She said you can't breathe.
I can't breathe. I can't move. Don't talk to me.
I'm telling you, you can't. You really can't. I tell you what did scare me is eyelashes.
Oh yeah.
But I feel like I've gotten better with those. Got the eyeliner on, a little wing there. Sort of kind of struggled with that. Right now, just putting some concealer to clean up the eyebrows. I have to do lips, and that'll be it. Jazz over there, I don't know what she's sniffing on, but she's gonna have to share. Sniffing on what? On sickness. Oh yeah, you don't need to share that. I'm just kidding, y'all. Don't take that too far. I don't. Y'all, boy, I tell y'all can be ruthless sometimes. We're gonna look back on this day and remember how much I struggled this day with makeup, because this is something else. It's not even lipstick right here. I forgot all of my lippies. So this is pretty much the final look here. Come on, Jazz, we gotta do a thumbnail for this.
Breathing, searching, touching, wanting, beating. My heart beats for you. Warming, cooling, heating. Temperature is burning in this room. Leaving, coming back and forth gives me a fever for you, baby.